Clamps are a huge help for lots of projects, but only if they reach as far as you need them to. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about an easy way to extend a clamp right after this.
Transform your kitchen or bathroom with a beautiful tiled backsplash all by yourself in as fast as one day with Simple Mat from Custom Building Products. Simple Mat is a unique double-sided adhesive mat designed to bond tiled backsplashes, countertops, and shower walls. No mixing of powder, no mess to clean up, and no waiting for the mortar to harden. Simply set the tile onto the mat, then grout. It's the quickest, easiest, cleanest way to install tile. Visit thesimplemat.com for more information. Available exclusively at the Home Depot.
It never fails. You're in the middle of a project that needs to be clamped so you can add fasteners or so glue will dry, but the clamp isn't big enough to reach. Pipe clamps are great for those kind of jobs, but often even they're too short for pieces larger than 4 feet. But pipe clamps can be extended to almost any length. First, remove the sliding tailstock from one clamp and thread a standard coupling onto that end of the pipe. Then thread another piece of the same diameter pipe into the coupling. You can buy threaded galvanized pipe in various lengths from 1 to 10 feet. Once the combined pipes are an adequate length, you can slide the tailstock back on and you're ready for long distance clamping. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.